All right, I'm in the correct lane. Everybody's in the lane.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We are going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you're liking this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this godforsaken YouTube algorithm.
Let's look at those birds. Nope, we're gonna go.
I somehow feel like when we do this forward-facing camera, my thumbnail is going to probably be the majority of my thumbnail will be my hat.
Ooh, that works.
It's literally going to look like my head's down the whole time. Oh well.
That works. I actually don't know if I like that camera there. It makes it kind of a weird blind spot when you're driving.
Oh.
But we'll see what the footage looks like. Alright. Having to give it the go, Petal.
Feels very hesitant.
Go, Petal. Go, Petal. Hard cornering. I'm glad that I've been behind you and seen how it does this, because I swear to God it feels like a drunk driver.
Does it look like a drunk driver?
No, it doesn't look too bad. Go. It looks like a new driver sometimes, though, where you like...
Yes. Like someone who just got their learner's permit.
Yeah, and you're like...
Yes.
You're like, okay. Or is new to the area.
That too.
That's what I always assume it looks like, especially when it starts throwing turn signals left and right. You're like, maybe they're new to the area.
Maybe they just got a learner's permit.
Yeah. This is much easier to see this way, too. It's that weird... I'm getting old, man. Like the dust. I think some of it, too, is my glasses, because they get dark with the light. And so if we've been driving directly into the light and all of a sudden you go into the dark, it's like...
My glasses.
Like tent on tent. My glasses. 42, okay?
Yeah.
My glasses. I think that'll be the conversation I have with the ophthalmologist next time. Okay, so nighttime drive, particularly dusk. Is it hard for everyone to see, or just because I'm blind?
No, it's hard for most. It's still a little hazy out, isn't it?
It's the fog.
Yeah.
Fog? What is it called?
Well, I realized the fog
word
didn't.
for it.
Well, I realized the fog didn't fully burn off, but yes, it does look a little hazy on the footage. Yeah. Like people will ask if there's a fire, kind of a thing. And there's no fire. It's just the fog that didn't fully burn off today.
It was really foggy on my way to work this morning. Ironically enough, RC drove this morning in the fog just fine. Clear in the afternoon, didn't drive.
Hmm.
And force it to go forward a little bit.
And on to the haunted road.
change the route on us, but we'll see. Okay, we're good. Fixed itself. Yeah, that definitely would not be the hill you want to come up in the winter when the weather's bad, because it doesn't get any of that afternoons.
No, not at all.
The only like saving grace is it's a lower elevation.
True. Signaling right, turn signal there I saw.
Well, I went left and then right to go straight. Stopping all the way back here.
You're kidding.
Whee. It's been very aggressive. Like, I'm very like, wee.
We're in chill mode. I've had to check the settings 10 times. If I've checked it once, I've checked it 10 times.
Because I feel like it's like launching.
It feels like it's... I do this now. No. Easy.
All right, so we got a car stopping to let someone in. So is it gonna go around?
Did not give enough way for my taste.
Nope. Especially when their backup lights came on. You said you can go 45 on this one, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we might have to do 45.
Yeah, no worries.
Green light. Excellent. That was nice timing.
Mm-hmm.
You're like crawling to an acceleration.
Golly, Wilson's going faster than you. I was full stick thinking that we were going to accelerate up to speed, but no, I'm like...
I was like, I think it's because that's the problem, is like it launches around corners, but
And then
when
it does
eats
that
you,
shit. You're like, really?
And it's like, la, la, la.
There's nobody in front of you and you have the fastest car. Like,
yeah,
punch
like
it.
you launch around corners, but Lord knows on a straightaway.
My God. And the funny thing is like, I love going fast on a straightaway. I hate going fast in turns.
Yeah, I do. Exactly. So I just had to signal for us to get over. And I think I'm going to have to do it again because it's going to...
Take the lane change late. Or take the turns.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Or just disengage.
And if we don't get a green arrow, I'm going to...
Disengage again. Because I hate how it creeps into the intersection. Because the problem is that after it turns red, it'll sit in the intersection.
Yes.
I've tested it.
Yes. Correct.
I think the funny thing is that we know it does all these idiosyncrasies, yet people are like, no, it doesn't. It's flawless. It's absolutely perfect. Really?
You guys not paying attention. He has a crosswalk. There you go.
Nope. Nope.
Because look, you've got a long, well, they can't see, but you got a long line of cars.
Oh, no, they can totally see it. Look, long line of cars.
Perfect.
Clearly not going to be able to make that left anytime soon. Might be able to get this gap here.
Nope. I'm not going to make that.
But because of the car that was turning right, maybe not. Might get a gap here.
Yeah.
If that car doesn't take too long. Oh, that other car's turning left. We're good.
But again, the problem is if you go too far forward, you can't see all that.
Bingo. And if the light decides to change, now you're in the intersection and you have to do what in big cities will be called going through the red or whatever. But
we kind of did earlier, but it was one of those that was like, it's an area where you, again,
can get away with
area, you need to do it. That when you have a green and that kind of stuff, and you're like,
long-term FSD adaptability will be very interesting to see how they solve for it. Like local area adaptability.
Like this is a little faster than intersection, but better.
It's better. Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel.
And even if you don't like it, subscribe so that you can continue the dialogue.
I know. Keep the conversation going on X.
You don't have to follow me. I am a nobody. Follow him.